Hello, guys. How are we doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. Welcome to the Mars Family Channel. If you're passing by for the very first time, please subscribe. And if you always watch our videos, thank you so much. I'm Teacher Mary, and in today's video, we're going to be learning about the O sound or the double O sound. So, the double O sound, these double O's are a digraph. Remember in the previous videos, we said a digraphs are two letters that come together to make a single sound. So these are two letters that make sound oo, oo, oo. Let's go and see which words take up this sound. So wherever there is double O, we're going to replace these double O's with sound oo. And then we see which words we can form. Okay, let's try to sound all these words and see what comes out of these sounds. Let's go ahead. If you haven't watched the video about the sounds of all the letters of the alphabet, there is a video. Please go back and watch it so that we can be on the same page, so that you can be able to sound and read. So let's go ahead and see. So this is sound f, o, d, food, food. M, o, n, un, moon. Sp, sp. This is a blend. Remember, if you haven't watched the video about the blend, please go back and watch and you see how we can read these blends. So this is sound S and P. Sp, sp. So these are pronounced quickly together, but each letter remains with its individual sound or with its original sound. So let's try and see. Sp, sp, u, n, spoon. B, u, k, book. B, u, t, boot. So this is a digraph too. This is a digraph. It is two letters that come together to make one single sound. Sh, sh, oo, t, shoot. T, oo, two. P, oo, l, pool. R, oo, roof. R, oo, room. Z, oo, zoo. So that was it for today's video. If you're new and this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.